Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make a Cash App account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to be needing the Cash App application. So if you've not already downloaded the application, what you want to do is go to the App Store and download it because we're going to need it. So go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Go into the search section and search for Cash App. After searching for Cash App, find the application that's going to be the first result and download it and install on your mobile phone. So once you're satisfied and you have downloaded the application, now we can get started. So guys, once you download it, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page right here where you can get started with signing up for an account. So guys, you can go ahead and sign up for an account either using your phone number or your email, depending whichever you prefer. You can enter in whichever you want. You can either use a phone number if you prefer that way, or just use one of your emails. And once you're satisfied, enter in the input, and after that click next. Click the next button right here at the bottom of the screen. By clicking the button next, it's going to take you to the next page where you can go ahead and confirm your identity. You can go ahead and confirm all the details that they're looking from you, such as your name and so on. And once you're finished guys, just click the finish button that's going to appear, and once you finish guys, you're going to go ahead and open up the main page. So you'll be able to successfully create your account, and once you have done so, it's going to open up this home page right here where you can take a look at your cash balance, savings, and you can get started with paying with Cash App. And basically that's how to go ahead and get started creating your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.